The Hungarian government's position on vaccines and vaccination is a very simple and very pragmatic one, and that is, vaccines are not a political question. All vaccines that are reliable should be used as soon as possible to be able to fight coronavirus. All that matters is the reliability and the effectiveness of the vaccines available. That's why we have decided to purchase and work together with the Chinese vaccine companies and the vaccination program, as well as with the Russian one. And I got to tell you that our experience is very simple. They are effective and reliable. I myself, as a matter of fact, as a member of the operative group, have received a Chinese vaccine. I've been vaccinated, and so far that's completely safe and reliable. We basically double the speed of the European vaccination program because of the Chinese and Russian vaccines. We've been able to vaccinate over 2.6 million people in Hungary by today, and that's how we basically are second on the European list of ranking. Only Malta, which is a small country, is ahead of us. As I suggested, these vaccines are effective and reliable, and at the same time help Hungary and the Hungarians to restart their normal lives, which is a must from the perspective of the mental health of the population, and very obviously is a must from the perspective of the economy.